guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a really long time since I made a video. I was traveling a lot. I'm settled right now and I'm able to make videos now. Recently got reached out by Hailuo AI. It's the same company which made Minimax, which I made a video. That was my last video. They gave me access to their platform and I'm gonna try that platform. It's basically a video generation platform. So we're gonna try that today and see how good it is. Their Minimax audio quality was like really good. If you guys haven't watched that, you can check that here. Let's go to the video. So this is their homepage and I have 1000 credits. So let's see how much we can do with that. If we go to monthly, they have a standard plan and there's an offer here. It's $2 for the first 7 days and then it's $10. You can check out the pricing and it's obviously half the price, I guess, or 40% off. You take the annual. So yeah, let's see what all they have. So they have a video generation. This is what we're gonna try first, but they also have image and then they have something called agent, which is in beta right now. It's just like a chat bot or like a agent where you can just share your ideas and it makes adjustments and all that. Like, so yeah, we have image to video, text to video, and then subject reference. So for reference, I'm gonna put my image. I don't have eyes on this picture. I'm wearing glasses, but we'll see how it works. And then in models, consistent characters with high fidelity and innovative flexibility. 720p, 6 seconds. And I think it takes how many credits? 80 credits for 1080p and 720p is 25 credits. Okay, insert camera movements at multiple points via the cursor. Oh, okay. You know what? Let's try this. Let's say the character eating a burger, eating it. The thing is, this actually uses the previous model. So I'm just gonna go and try this. Just gonna see what happens. Within that time, let's try like a text to video prompt with like the latest model. We can also give cinematic camera movements. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do right circling. They already have these like prompts. So if you need something, you can just insert this and then probably, you know, add your own stuff after that. So they have like public prompts too, which other people did. Man furiously shouting as he turns into fire. Probably like a CG shot or like a VFX shot, but I want to try this. Let's do 720p. I also gave a camera movement for that. Then if we go to image generation, I'm gonna try that too. Let's use my face, character in a space suit sitting inside a spaceship. We're gonna do image 01 16 by 9, no 3 by 4. I want it for my Instagram, and then I'll just do quantity 1. It only takes 1 credit for 1 image. Will I be wearing glasses because the original image has glasses? So oh yeah, that looks like me, but not exactly. But this is their version 1 model. Let's see how the see the image here. Okay, it looks AI obviously. We can also video it, you know, so once we create an image, we can video that. Looks nice, but I don't know why there's another person in the helmet. Okay, I'm gonna try something else. Character in a suit walking and with 2 bodyguards behind. Okay, this one is gonna be done. Oh. If I can give like a reference image for the character, like if I can do this with my own face, that'll be so cool. Obviously I didn't give any prompts for what has to be in the background, where the guy is standing and all that, but wow, this one is really nice. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna give the same prompt to this. It's the previous model, so I don't know how this is gonna work, but let's try. Oh no, I'm not liking these. No. I look so huge, my head looks so huge. Let's let this happen. I'm gonna try to find out how we can add reference character and do the same prompt. Let's see. I think this takes some amount of trial and error and going back and forth. That's how AI video generation is working at the moment. What is this? Oh, look at Dracula. No, this is not working, obviously. I mean, the previous models, it's not gonna work, but okay, it's here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is do the same camera motion right circling, and then I'm gonna give this same prompt. Okay, let's do this. I'm pretty excited to do this. I'm going to turn this off because it says if you're using a reference image, like disable it so it focuses more on retaining the reference image. Let's see what happens. I wanted it to be more wide, but it's okay. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I think it would be great if they can bring the latest model to this, you know, so you can just put your own face or put like a character's face and actually start generating videos from that. But I think for random generations, I think this one, like, I'm very impressed with this. Okay, it's gonna happen. What? Clearly not what I wanted, but I guess not like the best tool to use your own faces and do stuff. Obviously random generations are okay, I guess, but they actually have like a movie contest which needs context and consistency, so try playing around with it, because you know, I'm just showing you guys like what can be done here. But yeah, if you spend more time, you can definitely bring better results. And another thing is each generation only does like 6 seconds, so you know, you cannot give a lot, you know, it's gonna be really fast. So basically what you have to do is generate your first shot, take the last frame of it, and then put that as like the end frame, oh sorry, the beginning frame, and then give the next prompt, finish the shot, and then go like that. I think that's how it works. Okay, probably I gave too many things to do, so I mean, it didn't come inside the 6 seconds, so yeah, I think not bad. But yeah, I think more than this, I like the first one. This just directly covers it with fire. Yeah, I did give it a good prompt. I mean, it's basically the same prompt, but this one was crazy. Like, it's exactly like what I expected. Like, you know, slowly you know, all those cracks coming, you know, those glows and all that. Like, the shot looks really good. Yeah, they have like a 7-day trial, so you can try any of this for 7 days. You can even try the master for 7 days, which gives you like 10,500 credits. And they also have a free plan. Oh, I didn't see that. And they also have a AI app, you know, iOS, Android, all that. I think it's a pretty good tool. You can go and check it out. Thank you, Hailuo, for sponsoring the video. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys with another tool. Till then, it's Manish. Bye-bye.